Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stalker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at timestamps that are used on Linux systems. There are actually 3 of them, and sometimes 4, and they represent the date and time that the file was last accessed, the time it was last modified, and the time it was last changed. Modified and changed may suggest the same thing, but modified implies content changes, and changed will capture other changes like changes in permissions. The stat command will show you any of these. So I'll run this command. You can see there's the file that we're going to look at. Then we run the stat command, and we see all kinds of information, including all of these timestamps down here. Again, the birth stamp is not always there, not on every system, but we get to see when the file was last accessed, when it was last modified, when permissions might have been changed, and if birth is there also, when the file was first set up. So that is your Linux tip for Linux file timestamps. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.